start working with ArcGIS Pro, definitely we need the software, which we can download from the website of ArcGIS by following very easy steps. But maximum of us does not able to download this software because they don't know these easy steps and they don't have the proper guideline. But believe me, downloading ArcGIS Pro software is very easy. Yes, in this lecture, we are going to learn how to download ArcGIS Pro free trial software by using these easy steps. Maybe you have a question, why free trial? Because ArcGIS Pro is giving you 23 days free use opportunity. Then why not you will use this 23 days free use of this software? And after 23 days, if you think you are enjoying this software, you can easily buy this main paid software. You need to do nothing. They will send you mail with the link of payment method. You just need to follow that link. Now let's see how to download ArcGIS Pro. First of all, open your browser and go to this link pro.arcgis.com. This is the website link to download ArcGIS Pro software. So this is the website to download ArcGIS Pro software, in where we have free trial button on the upper right corner. Click here. Now we are going to fill up this form to sign up for the ArcGIS trial by providing few simple informations of us, such as first name, last name, email, zip code, phone number, company, industry, and organization role. Say I'm going to use first name as Shahriar, and as this is a test account for this lecture, so I'm going to use GIS, and email address will be shahriargis2019@gmail.com. This email address is also a temporary email address for this lecture only. Now we need to confirm this email again. shahriargis2019@gmail.com. Now give your zip code or postal code. Now provide your phone number but without your country code. Let's see what will be happen if I provide my country code before my mobile number. My country code is +88. Now provide the company name, then select an industry, then select an organization role. Now check yes, again check I agree. Let's see what will be happen if we click start trial. It is not working because of the country code before mobile number. Let's delete this one. Now click again start trial. Congratulations, we have successfully signed up ArcGIS trial. Now wait for the confirmation email in your inbox. Now let's check our email inbox. Here we have a new mail from ISRI to activate our free ArcGIS trial. Let's see what we have in this mail. ISRI has provided us a link to activate our ArcGIS account. Yes, to get your software, definitely first of all, you need to create your ArcGIS account. Click this link. To activate your account, give a username and strong password. Here I want to use shahriargis2019 as a username and password this one. Confirm password again, but I think my password should be more strong. Let's change this again. Here is my new password. This is strong, I think. Confirm password again. Now we need to use a security question if we forget our username and password. Here I am going to use What is your dream job? Definitely GIS. Now check I accept the terms and condition. Now click create my account. Here we need to specify a short name for our organization. This text uniquely defines the URL to your organization. So carefully consider the name you want to use. And one more thing is, the short name can only contain the basic Latin characters, numbers, and hyphens. And also, you need to check the availability of your this short name. Say, Shahriar is unavailable, so I have to use Shahriar GIS 2019. This one is available now. I'm going to use this one. So it means you need to use another one, not Shahriar GIS 2019, as I already have used it. Based on your given short name, ArcGIS will create a new website homepage for you in ArcGIS hosting, and the web page will be shahriargis2019.maps.arcgis.com. So, your new homepage link will be yourname.maps.arcgis.com. Now, you just need to fill up these simple informations. Now click Save and Continue. Congratulations! Now we have got the link to download our desired ArcGIS Pro. Click it. You can also click another one, but as we are going to use ArcGIS Pro, we need to click Try ArcGIS Pro. In this page, we need to click Download ArcGIS Pro. Now click Save File. Let's check it. Congratulations! Now you will get your ArcGIS Pro software. In our next lecture, we are going to learn how to install this software, how to assign the license for ArcGIS Pro. Enjoy GIS by using ArcGIS Pro in your smart GIS work. Thank you.